All of you know, in my first session I taught you x square plus y square is equal to r square plus a square by 2. A square by 2 means 9 by 4 by 2 becomes 9 by 8. Area bounded by the curve x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1 and x square plus y square equal to 1. And that area of OAB can be written as 2 times. How to write area of OAB? OA, I call this as say M. Welcome to the session, dear students. So now we'll go ahead with finding areas between the curves. So now find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square equal to 9 interior to the parabola x square equal to 4y. See, they gave circle and parabola. So first, circle is of the form x square plus y square is equal to constant. So therefore, the circle whatever they give 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9, or I can say x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. It is a circle with center origin because it is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to 3 by 2 the whole square. All of you know, in my first session I taught you x square plus y square is equal to r square is a circle with center origin. This is a circle. And the parabola, a draft diagram we need. Parabola y square is equal to x square is equal to 4y. X square parabola means what? Symmetric about y axis. So symmetric about what axis? Y axis. Now they want you to find the area interior to the parabola. Please read this carefully. They want the area interior to the parabola. So means this is the region they want you to find. And you can see the parabola cuts at 2 points A, B. So it is symmetric, at same height it should cut actually. So it is symmetric. So now you find point of intersection. So if you can find this area, if you can find one side of area, multiply 2 to it, you will get the total area. In order to find that, first our task is to find the point of intersection. So now I need to find point of intersection. How to find point of intersection? Solve the equations. First is drawing the diagram. So read the question and draw the diagram. First, x square parabola is a parabola symmetric. So now, see, as soon as you read the question, you should be able to draw. So first they told circle x square plus y square is equal to what? 9. So x 9 by 4. So circle is circle with center origin. This is O. And they told parabola. Parabola is a parabola which is symmetric about what axis? Y axis. This is the parabola. And they want area of region interior to this. Interior to this means this is the shaded region. They want this area. You can see the parabola cuts at 2 points. We call them as point of intersection. First our task is to find this. If you can find this area into 2, if you do, you will get total area. So the geometry plays important role to solve this kind of problems. So circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9 is a circle with center origin. Why? Because it is in the form of, if I reduce, it is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. So you know, this can also be written as x square plus y square is equal to 3 by 2 the whole square, where 3 by 2 is the radius. Where 3 by 2 is the radius, that much we know. So now, parabola and circle are cutting each other at 2 points. First our task is to find point of intersection. If you want to find point of intersection of any 2 curves, you should solve them. So nimage 2 curve point of intersection beku andre aa 2 curvegalna solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Circle. What is the circle? 4x square plus 4y square, value they give 9. And the parabola, what is the parabola? X square is equal to 4y. So call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2. Now substitute equation 2 in 1. If I substitute in the place of x square, put 4y. 4 into, in the place of x square, I will put 4y plus 4y square is equal to 9. Now 4 4 is 16y plus 4y square is equal to 9. So now further, this will become a quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? 4y square plus 16y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now how to solve this? Middle term factorization. So 9 into 4, 36. So minus 36. What are the factors for minus 36? So factorize it. So I can take 18 twos and I need plus 16. So 18 into minus 2. Can I write 4y square plus 18y minus 2y minus 9. Further, take 2y common. If I take 2y common, so 2y plus 9 minus 2 if I take common, it will become y minus if I take common 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. After factorization, we will get 2y plus 9 common. So 2y, this is minus 1. So if I equate, I will get two values. So one is negative, one is positive. I will take one value that is sufficient. I will take 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So I will get y value 1 by 2. So I will get y value 1 by 2, 1 by 2 here. So you know point means x comma y. So here I got y as 1 by 2. I have to get x. Put y value in the equation of x. You know. So x square is equal to what? Equation 2. X square is equal to 4y. And 4 times y means 1 by 2. 2 cancels. So x square is 2. X is plus or minus root 2. In first quadrant, I'll have root 2. So I got x value root. So x value is from what? Root. So now we got x value what? Root 2. Point of intersection x value is root 2. That is sufficient. So now observe this carefully. Let me draw it again. So I have circle. I have parabola. And this is the point where I know the value of x. What is the value of x? Root 2. If I draw perpendicular, it touches at root 2. And you know this is origin. So now my concentration is, I will find this area. OA, I call this as say B. And this is say C. So now total area is this much. I will find this required areas. This and this are symmetric. So what I will do, required area is A is equal to 2 times area of OABO. Very interesting. OABO is area bounded by, see, this part is circle. This part is circle and x-axis. And this part is, say this part is parabola and x-axis. From circle and x-axis means this whole thing I'll get. From parabola and x-axis means this whole thing I'll get. If I subtract this whole thing from this, I'll get the required area. So that is, I'll say area of BA, circle part AB and x-axis. In that I'll remove OA parabola and x-axis. Directly speaking. So in spite of writing so much, now to make you understand, so I showed this whole part. See, if I separately draw, say suppose if I separately draw, this part is OA is circle part and it perpendicular meets at what? Root 2. I'll find this area. Then I'll have OA. Then I'll have say OA. This is O. This is A. This is parabola OA and x-axis. I'll find this part. From the purple part, if I remove yellow part, if I remove this yellow part, this total minus this, if I remove, I'll get this. So therefore, conclusion is simple. So this is 2 times x1 to x2 area under OA circle area minus x1 to x2 parabola area, parabola and x-axis, here circle and x-axis. That is 2 times integration. X varies from where to where? 0 to root 2. Circle equation. What is the equation of circle? X square plus y square is equal to 3 by 2 the whole square, or y is equal to what? I can say 9 by 4 minus x square. So y under root. So root of 9 by 4 minus x square dx minus same x1 to x2, 0 to root 2 parabola. Parabola they gave x square is equal to what? Y. So now I need y. Y value is what? X square dx. So now simplify this and apply limit 2 times. All of you know integration of this x by 2 root of same 9 by 4 minus x square plus a square by 2. A square by 2 means 9 by 4 by 2 becomes 9 by 8 into sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x divided by a means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 the whole square minus upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit minus lower limit? 0 to root 2 minus integration of the x is x cube by 3 from 0 to root 2. Now apply upper limit minus lower limit. Outside we have 2 for both. Now simplify this further. So required area is 2 times. In the place of x you assume upper limit is root 2. Root 2, if I substitute in this, root 2 divided by 2 is root 2 by 2. And here root 2 square becomes 2. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 after taking root, upper limit, plus 9 by 2 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3, 2 times root 2 by 3, 2 root 2 by 3, sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3, we cannot simplify, we have to write as it is. Sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3, this is upper limit, minus lower limit. Lower limit in the place of x, if I put 0, this is 0, this is 0, lower limit becomes 0. For first term I have applied. In the remaining term, minus x cube by 3 means root 2 cube by 3 minus lower limit plus what is that? Minus lower limit is 0. Simplify this. So required area, I'll write it here. Required area is equal to, you multiply 2 inside, 2 cancels, it will become root 2 by 2, 1 root 2 by 2, 2 cancels, it will become 9 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3, zeros you leave, root 2 cube can be written as minus 2 root 2 by 3. This is the required area. Further, if you want, you can simplify or leave it. So circle and x-axis minus parabola and x-axis, if you do, you will get it. Area bounded by, this is a part of circle and x-axis. And this is a part of parabola and x-axis. Total minus this, if you do, you will get this area. So write the formula and elaborate it, you will get the final answer. So now find the area bounded by the curve x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1 and x square plus y square equal to 1. So first we will draw the circles. See x minus y 1 the whole square plus, can I write it as y minus 0 the whole square is equal to 1. So 1 square. So now it is in the form of x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. This is a circle with center h comma k. That's what you have studied. The circle with center h comma k and h is 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is a point on x-axis. This is the circle center and radius is 1 unit. And radius 1 comma 0 and radius is 1 unit. So the circle touches y. So circle x comma 1 comma 0 for this center in the place of h comma k is the center becomes 1 comma 0. So I'll get center. Now what you need to do, so you got 1 comma 0, this is center, radius means here to here 1 unit. So circle touches what axis? Y axis. This is one circle. The other circle is circle with center origin. Second circle is easy because it is in the form x square plus y square is equal to 1 square. So it is a circle with center origin. For second circle, center is origin. So this is the center for the second circle and radius is 1 unit. So it passes through center of other. Now they want you to find what? Area bounded by the curves. This means this region you need to find. How to find this region? Interesting. You can see red circle. So this is point of intersection. I will take A. So this is O, all of you know, origin. I call this as say B. So now, and say this is C. AC is point of intersection. I will find above part, below part will be symmetric. So required area is 2 times OAB. That OAB, if I draw perpendicular, it meets at this point. The perpendicular meets at this point, and this particular point this particular point is the point where we need the x value, the x coordinate of this point. So first our task is to find x. So then I'll find area of the red circle and x axis. Then I'll find purple circle and x axis. So now what is done? Add these two, you'll get area of OAB and multiply 2. So I can say first our task is to find point of intersection. So first, how to find point of intersection? You know, x square plus x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1. From this you can get y square. From second equation get y square. What is y square? 1 minus x square. So in the place of y square, so substitute, so put, this is second circle, call it as 3, put x square, my 1 minus x square is equal to y square in equation 1. That will become x minus 1 the whole square plus, instead of y square you can write 1 minus x square is equal to 1. Now you know x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 minus x square is equal to 1. So now x square minus x square cancels, you will get one value of x, and 2 minus 2x is equal to 1, or 2x is equal to 1, or x is half. So I need one x in first quadrant, I got x value half, and y I am not bothered. Y I am not bothered, so I got the x value. So now going to this. So now we had two circles. One circle was circle with radius 1 unit here to here, and center is 1, 0, and touching y axis. This was one circle, and the other circle was the circle which passes through center of this, and its center is this. And now you know this point x value we are bothered, so half comma y. If I draw perpendicular, it meets at what? Y. This is half, this is 0. So now I'll find what? Area bounded. First I'll find this area bounded by the red circle and x axis. Then I'll find area bounded by this purple circle and x axis between these points. And this, you know, this is 1. This is red. Here to here it is 1, right? So now OA, say call this as B, we called it as, and this point is 1 actually, this is C. Now required area, so now seeing this you can say, and below part also I want, so below part I'll find only above part. Required area is, can I say required area is equal to 2 times area of OAB, and that area of OAB can be written as 2 times. How to write area of OAB? OA, I call this as say M, OAM, area of OAMO plus area of MABM. So that is, one is area of first circle, integration of here to here, x varies from 0 to half. This is red color circle. Red circle means what? X minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 the whole, first circle, x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1. This circle. From this, what is y? Y is what? 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square under root. So root of 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square dx plus remaining part. Remaining part is half to 1. Purple circle. Purple circle is what? X square plus y square is equal to 1. So that is y square is what? 1 minus x square. What is y? Root of 1 minus x square. So root of 1 minus x square dx. Now I hope this is the logic behind this. So I'll find area of this red circle and x axis. Then I'll find area of purple circle and x axis. Then I'll add, I'll get this area. And you know the above part, see, this is symmetric. So if I draw, so this part I'll find, and below also we have similar part. So that's why this is made up of 2 equal parts. I'll find this part OAB. If you find this part and multiply 2 to this, you'll get total area. So now further I hope you can continue and get the area. Now integration, it is in the form of a square minus x square, you can use the formula. Again, this is also in the form of a square minus x square, use the formula, apply upper limit, lower limit, and you will get the value. Now logic is important, area between the curves. So between the curves means this is the shape you will get, this part is what? This and x-axis plus this and x-axis. Last case we subtracted, but this case we are adding. I'll find this area, this is the circle, this is OA is part of circle and x-axis, and this is x-axis between what? This part, that is M. Then I'll find what? The other part, this is parabola, second circle AB and x-axis. This part I'll find. First I'll find this part, then I'll find this part. After you find this, equally I have this part. Whatever this much and this much, they are same. If I find this part, this is same. So if I find this and multiply 2 to this, I'll get total area. 2 times this, that's it. So hope all of you got the logic. Logic is important. Then integration, you know the basics, you can do and apply upper limit minus lower limit carefully and solve it. So these are the problems and these are the methods. Like this, any geometry if they give, first analyze, draw it and find point of intersection. To find point of intersection, we are not integrating, we are solving the simultaneous equations. Here we had 2 equations, we solved them. Degree 2 quadratic equations we will solve, and whatever is required. So I saw it is in first quadrant, x is positive, I will pick this, that's more than sufficient. I will not go for other values. Like that, you can stop wherever you want and you can continue. I hope all of you understood what I taught you. I will see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.